Hello friends, welcome back. This is our fourth video on Power BI dynamic dashboards. In this video, we will look into this dashboard where we have tried to do a cost analysis for a particular manufacturing unit. You can see multiple diagrams or visual in this table. We will take each one by one. This first diagram is a donut chart for the material used in the production. As you can see, material A has been used 68%, material D is used 14%, approximately 15%, material B is used 12.9%, and material F is used almost 3%. This second chart is for the labor used in the manufacturing. So there are only two processes. One is assembling and another is packing. Moving on to the third table. This third table will give you an idea about the value of raw material and finished good used. Raw material used in particular finished goods. So first is finished good B. It has in total used 76 crores of value of raw material, and the least is used by finished good H, which is 4 crore 88 lakhs. Now if you want to see bifurcation of the raw material used for any of this product, you just need to click any on that particular product. So let's say finished good F, and the bifurcation is available in our first table. So it consists of highlighted portion is 36 crore, that is 36 crore of material A is used, and 16 crore of material B is used. 81 lakh for material F is used, and material D is used for 16 crores. So this is how you can see in details for a particular product. In the fourth table, similarly for as we saw for finished raw material used in finished good, this tells about labor used in any particular finished goods. So total of 26 crore of labor is used in for finished good B, and so on. This next two table talks about production cost per kg for each product and wastage per kg for each product. This all has been calculated based on the data available with us and using various formulas and functions that are possible with Power BI. Last table is a pictorial display of what material is used in which product, or to other way, or in other words, each product consists of which all raw material and labor processes. So if I click any of this particular finished goods, it will show you which all raw material and processes are used for this particular finished goods. Similarly, if I click on any particular raw material, you can see how much the raw material is used in any of the finished goods. Here on top right, we have kept certain slices to filter the data. So let's say you want to see the detail for any particular order. You need to just select that particular order, and the data is filtered for that order. Now this says in this particular order finished good A was manufactured, only material B was used, and loading and unloading services were used, and the cost for the particular product was 40,000 for labor and 1 crore 8 lakh for finished good, raw materials. There are others filters also available. You can again filter the data based on your requirement. what I like to draw your attention is this time filter. So this data is available for 12 months, but let's say if you want to see for a shorter period, you just need to select that period, and again the data will be shortlisted accordingly. So these are the few dashboards that we have prepared for our clients and we have showed in these videos for your understanding. What you also need to understand is there are multiple other possibilities, such as you can prepare P&Ls for multiple branches and you can compare their performances with each branches separately with their past performances with standards and budgeted defined by the companies. You can prepare your cash flows, your debtors aging, your profit margins, or anything else if you have the right data available with you. We will try to cover any of these possibilities in our future videos as and when time permits us, but for now this is it. I hope these videos will be useful for you, and if you need any help with any of these things, you can always contact us. Thank you.